mama inoga ngwaina baba chabazinga ninze mutabaniwo asidikifo kuzika kaire ndi mwisemena
Asleep on the beat.
Nzire kampagira obusoga bwange kubanga yenviye.
Okay. Thank you.
You're most welcome to Soga International Polytechnic.
Yes.
Yes, we are going to take our way. Muchaine kwemba mwembe wana mwende busoga chabazinga dale ni Uganda tere mwaka sente isaife sima tina baby nizali kwemba lero mpawire irobo
where our trainers take where we go no, it's not the ICT lab, it's the staff room.
This is for staff room.
Yes, please.
Staff room?
Yeah, it's the staff room. Then the metal fabrications, we have plate mechanism plate fitting, then construction and welding. Yes, actually we do have oil and gas as well. Yes, that one is for engineers. People have background in engineers.
So do you offer to diploma certificates?
We have level 2 and level 3.
Yes. You said something about UK. Did you say something about UK?
Yeah, it is UK based. Our delivery is Pearson Tech.
Pearson.
This is our delivery.
For how long?
So you can meet some of our students already here. Hello.
But I'm heading the team. I'm the Deputy Prime Minister of Singapore. That's the kingdom in the Resort region. And we are a team of ministers trying to know what happens in other kingdoms so that we can also try to borrow it and also take it from our kingdom. So we are excited that there is this project and you people have embraced it seriously. We want to encourage you and request you opportunity to come once. You can play with around with it now, but tomorrow you will say, hey, why didn't I be serious? We are happy that you are a serious cadre, a serious lot, but encourage any person who is here. There could be your colleagues who are still not serious. Kindly, we thank you for accepting to come, but we also pray for you that you continue and finish your studies properly. So this is our team of ministers from Kasese, from Rwenzori region, and from Singapore to thank you. And thank you for serving our.
So this is our Zoom to basically give them those basics. Then those that have the laptops, they can utilize the free time to continue practicing. But the computer lab is free. It's open up to 10 p.m. so they can.
Library rooms?
Yes, it is.
Because this one is the best. This is all memorized.
This one we have. Because most of the books are e-books. Oh, so there's a catalog.
Yes.
Muchaine kwemba mwembe wana mwende busoga chabazinga dale ni Uganda tere mwaka sente isaife sima tina baby nizali kwemba lero mpawire irobozi Kyabazinga waife ogeise obusoga butereire ebitongolo birese byatuwa buyambi bwatutasa Baba Simba nebaza omunene CEO wa Daleni Mwami Daniel Kitimba webale busoge kusimye okuleta Daleni Uganda ngetuyambye okumbula ebyobulamu n'ebyobuyondo busoge ebinze endala Kyabazinga twegeise olimu era nsaba Kibumba nkwongere enkabi otu
because applicable to the oil actually. So it certifies the oil and gas. Whoever has an intention to work in the oil and gas field must have a certification. So as an institution, Busoga International, we are certified. So with me here, I have some OPITO students that are also learning the skills, the hand-based skills, applying the field, and of course very many other standards. So
Muchaine kwemba mwembe